What if I told you that two Barndominium builders can quote you prices differing by $400,000 for the exact same size home? I ranked every major builder in America from $65,000 kits to $700,000 turnkey builds. What I discovered will save you from a $200,000 mistake. The number one most affordable option at the end will shock you. In 10 minutes, you're getting real 2026 pricing from actual builders, not theories. I analyzed quotes from 10 companies, talked to customers who built with them, and I'm breaking down exactly what you get at each price point. If you're serious about building without getting ripped off, hit subscribe right now. Here's the truth. Barndominium pricing is all over the map. According to 2026 industry data, costs range from $65 to $350 per square foot, depending on who you hire and what's included. Most builders hide real costs until you're committed. I'm ranking from most expensive to most affordable. For each, I'll show you price per square foot, what a 2,000 square foot build costs, what included, and who should choose them. Real talk, I'm not sponsored. Zero commissions. Pure research. Number 10. Hog Barndominiums. Price: $225 to $350 per square foot. 2,000 square feet. $450,000 to $700,000. What's included? Everything. Site prep, foundation, complete structure, all utilities, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, interior finishes, cabinets, flooring. One point of contact handles it all. The reality: white glove service. Premium prices for maximum convenience. At $225 to $350 per square foot, you're paying the same or more than traditional construction. You're not saving money. You're paying for luxury. Best for $500,000 plus budget who wants zero hassle. Number 9. Morton Buildings. Price: $150 to $275 turnkey. 2,000 square feet. $300,000 to $550,000. What's included? Foundation, post-frame structure, roof, exterior walls, doors, windows, and insulation. Their shell-only package runs $75 to $125 per square foot. Morton's been manufacturing building components since the 1940s with 8 facilities nationwide. What's not included? All interior work. Drywall, flooring, cabinets, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, paint. You coordinate with other contractors or DIY these components. The reality: heavy-duty timber frame construction engineered to last 50-plus years with minimal maintenance. Virtually maintenance-free steel exterior that withstands extreme weather. Customer reviews highlight durability and Morton's established reputation. Budget another $75 to $150 per square foot for professional finishing work. Best for someone who values established reputation, wants a bulletproof exterior structure, and doesn't mind hiring separate contractors for interior customization. Number 8. Blunier Builders. Price: $200 to $300 plus. 2,000 square feet. $400,000 to $600,000 plus. What you get? Full turnkey luxury in the Southeast. High-end custom with mixed materials, steel, wood, stone. The reality: magazine-worthy design. Floor-to-ceiling windows, custom timber, high-end appliances. Luxury home prices with no cost savings versus traditional. Best for luxury buyers with $400,000 plus budgets wanting architectural uniqueness. Number 7. Cleary Building Corp. Price: $120 to $200 turnkey. 2,000 square feet. $240,000 to $400,000. What's included? Post-frame structures with steel or with siding. Exterior shell construction. Turnkey coordination available. The reality: family-owned, thousands of completed builds nationwide. Middle-of-the-road pricing. Shell packages $45 to $50 per square foot. Quality without Morton's premium. Best for Midwest and national buyers wanting quality at mid-range costs without paying premium. Number 6. DC Structures. Price: $150 to $250 turnkey. 2,000 square feet. $300,000 to $500,000. What you get? Premium timber frame kits from Pacific Northwest. Kits $25 to $40 per square foot, materials only. The reality: Douglas fir posts, quality windows, engineered plans. Excellent materials, but Pacific Northwest labor and shipping drive costs up. You hire contractors for interior. Best for comfortable coordinating contractors. Wants premium materials. Here's where it gets interesting. The next 4 deliver actual value. Real Barndominiums at costs that make sense. Number 5. Blunier Builders. Price: $110 to $180 turnkey. 2,000 square feet. $220,000 to $360,000. What sets them apart? Founded 2002, Illinois-based, 100-plus employees specializing in pole barn homes. Total flexibility. They do as much or little as you want. Want to paint yourself? Fine. Want to handle electrical? They'll accommodate. Or go full turnkey with everything managed. The reality: use certified professionals, including licensed masons and structural engineers. Known for energy-efficient designs and construction timelines faster than traditional builds. This is honest, quality construction at genuinely fair prices with flexibility most builders don't offer. Best for Midwest builders wanting a regional company with solid reputation, reasonable pricing, and flexible service levels that let you save money on tasks you can handle yourself. Number 4. Country Carpenters. Price: $100 to $180 turnkey. 2,000 square feet. $200,000 to $360,000. What you get? Since 1974, Connecticut-based, nationwide shipping. Pre-engineered timber kits $45 to $60 per square foot. The reality: quality kit ships to you. Hire local contractors for assembly and finishing. Shop competitive rates in your area. Gamble barn design with pre-cut components. Best for DIY-savvy builders comfortable hiring local contractors or doing significant work themselves. Number 3. Worldwide Steel Buildings. Price: $90 to $150 turnkey. 2,000 square feet. $180,000 to $300,000. What included? Pre-engineered steel building kits with materials running $15 to $30 per square foot. Complete package includes engineered steel frame, 26-gauge metal siding and roofing, complete structural drawings, and all hardware. The reality: steel buildings are extremely cost-effective to manufacture in controlled factory environments and shipped nationwide. The prefab structure goes up quickly, dramatically reducing on-site labor costs. According to verified customer reviews, Worldwide Steel backs buildings with an industry-leading 50-year structural warranty on all frames. Metal construction is inherently durable, fire-resistant, and requires virtually zero maintenance. You'll invest more in quality spray foam insulation to make it comfortable year-round, but the structural shell is absolutely bulletproof against weather. Best for budget-conscious builders who appreciate modern industrial aesthetic and want long-term structural durability. If you can handle or coordinate interior finishing work, Worldwide Steel delivers excellent value. Number 2. SteelMaster Buildings. Price: $80 to $145 turnkey. 2,000 square feet. $160,000 to $290,000. Here's what makes them special. Quonset Hog Barndominium since 1982. Curved metal structures cost 30 to 50% less than traditional builds. S-model with straight walls and arched roof most popular. Kit prices start $9 per square foot. The reality: one Texas couple built 1,500 square feet, under $200,000 total. Self-supporting arch, no beams, trusses, complex framing. 75% of buyers DIY. saving $30,000 to $50,000. Full transparency, not sponsored. Research shows quality at competitive prices with 50-year warranties. Best 4. Budget builders embracing curved aesthetic, wanting serious savings and potential DIY. And here we are at number 1, Hansen Pole Buildings. Price, $65 to $160 turnkey. 2,000 square feet, $130,000 to $320,000. Why they're number 1? Complete pricing transparency that's unmatched. Kits start at just $7,000 for small structures. For residential-sized kits suitable for Barndominiums, they charge $10 to $30 per square foot for the shell package. What's the catch? Hansen provides shell-only kit with materials. You handle or hire out separately for foundation work, interior walls, all finishes, utilities, and labor. This isn't turnkey, it's materials. Here's the breakdown for realistic $150,000 total build. 1,200 square foot pole barn kit, $25,000. Concrete slab foundation, $12,000. DIY shell assembly with friends, $0, saves $8,000. Basic utility connections, $20,000. Interior finishing DIY and hired trades, $80,000. Building permits and inspections, $3,000. Contingency buffer, $10,000. Total, $150,000 for a complete livable 1,200 square foot home. The reality, genuinely achievable if you're willing to go smaller on square footage, invest significant DIY effort, and keep finishes basic. Hansen's pricing is most transparent. Actual prices displayed on their website with no request a quote games. Founded 2002, thousands of builds completed. Customer reviews highlight honest pricing, quality materials, and detailed plans making DIY assembly realistic. Best 4. Hands-on DIYers with construction skills. People willing to invest sweat equity, budget-conscious builders prioritizing value over luxury. Price doesn't equal value. Turnkey luxury, Boss Hog, Morton, Steel Root. Quality reasonable pricing. Cleary, Blunier, Country Carpenters. Tight budget willing to work. SteelMaster, Hansen. 3 critical things. Get 3 quotes minimum. Understand exactly what's included versus excluded. Be brutally honest about your actual DIY capabilities. Barndominiums save money versus traditional construction, but only when choosing the right builder matching your budget and skill level. Drop your budget in comments. I'll tell you which builder makes sense. Hit like and subscribe for honest Barndominium content. Thanks for watching.